How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Rashad Peters. I'm a sales consultant here at Jim Ellis Volkswagen, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to function your Apple Carplay in your brand new Volkswagen. So your first step is your cord. This is your key. This is your Volkswagen key to functioning your Apple Carplay. So what you want to do, you want to grab the USB side of your cord, stick it into the center console where the USB goes. Second thing, well, I don't know if you want to do this first, but make sure your car's turned on. Grab your phone. Now, Apple CarPlay is so easy, a kid can do it. Plug it in, unlock your phone. There we have it. It pops up right there, instantly. Now from here, you can enjoy apps like Waze, WhatsApp. You can have Siri read your text messages to you. She can also send text messages out, which is awesome. You have Maps, which is connected to the Apple CarPlay phone. You can use that service, or you can use Waze, whichever one you would like to use. You have audiobooks. You can even listen to audiobooks on the road. How does that sound on long trips? Then you have your music button, so you can listen to any platform that you have on your phone from Apple CarPlay. Tidal, Spotify, in this case, Apple Music. And that there, ladies and gentlemen, is just a quick demonstration of how you would function your Apple CarPlay in your brand new Volkswagen.